Hi, girls.
Hi.
What do you have there, son?
I get pet.
Ugly pets. Yes. You like it?
That's this one. Now we'll open the one. We're gonna say channel.
This is the Ugly Pet pen. So nice. You can open. And you can see a toilet here. Bathtub. Shower. What's this?
Look, see?
What's that? Spiders? It's a measure.
You see? Go back.
Mm-hmm.
Look what this. Look,
Take your weight.
look. Sleepy. See?
Yes, it take your weight. Oh, we have a ladder here.
But look what this. You walk, you jump, go top, you go one rush, you go poopy, you go tire.
Okay, it's so nice.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Ladder, you go, pop, pop, pop. Take a shower. It's raining right here. Look,
It's raining?
look, this one's
No, it's not. It's not raining.
It's coming, you wanna go in here, you wanna get out of the car.
Okay. And right here. It's nice.
It's raining.
It makes sense when it
It's
moves.
raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Ah, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining.
So many.
This. This don't work.
Oopsie. And this is a house. Where's the monkeys? You heard? And we have a poopy here. It's a poop face.
This.
Hi,
Close
poop.
it. Close
Oh,
it.
you stink. Ding dong. No, I need to use the toilet. I need to use the toilet. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh my gosh, what's this? Oh my gosh, what's this? Oh no, it's a worm. I poop a worm. Ew, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. No.
watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more story videos like this one. Bye bye!